Good morning, children. So, we were studying chapter 6, Greenland, the land of snow. And I have told you about that this is also known as the land of the midnight sun. We have already discussed in our life class. And then we were learning about the location of the Greenland. Okay. So, Greenland lies in the North Polar region. This is also known as the tundra region. It is extremely cold throughout the year because it lies at the North Pole. I have told you already. And this is about the shape of the Greenland. Its capital is Nuuk, which is also known as Godthab. Capital Nuuk is also known as Godthab. And there are 4 water bodies surrounding it: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Device Strait, and the Baffin Bay. They all are surrounding it. Okay. So the Greenland is an island, and it is the biggest island on our earth. And then we were discussing the topography of the Greenland, and I have told you that the major physical features of Greenland is ice. 81% of the area is covered with the ice sheet. You can see this whole place is looking white because this is covered with the icy layer. And here you can see that this part is not that icy. जो उसके bordering पर है, जो coastal areas है, वो इतने icy नहीं है. यहाँ पर क्या है? Mountain ranges, small mountain ranges. Okay. So Greenland have low plateau and coastal mountain at the boundary. Okay. Small mountains were there. So this is all about the topography. And there we have discussed about the iceberg also. So I have told you that during spring or summer season, huge block of ice break down off from the main ice sheet and floats on the ocean. They are called iceberg. So when summer season come or the spring season come, this kind of huge ice blocks, ये जो होते हैं, ये हमारे ग्रीनलैंड से अलग हो जाते हैं और फिर ओशन में फ्लोट करने लग जाते हैं, अटलांटिक ओशन में. ओके. तो फिर क्या होता है, ये जो आइसबर्ग्स होते हैं, ये बहुत ही मैसिव और बिग होते हैं, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द आइसबर्ग इज डाउन साइड द वाटर, सो दैट इट विल बिकम वेरी डेंजरस फॉर शिप्स. So it is written also that 90% of the iceberg is under the water, and it becomes very dangerous for the ships which are traveling in the water because they can't see it. इतना सा ही ऊपर रहता है तो वो उसे देख नहीं पाते. तो इसलिए क्या करा है, द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका ने इस पे जो अटलांटिक ओशन है विच इज डाउन साइड हियर, दे स्टार्टेड टू पेट्रोल इट. मतलब उसके ऊपर निगरानी रखना स्टार्ट किया कि कोई आइसबर्ग तो नहीं है, तो कि वो शिप को वॉर्न कर सके. बिकॉज यू हैव सीन दैट वन शिप लाइक टाइटैनिक सिंक इन 1912. ओके. So that ship is sank. From then onwards, the United States have traveling to and patrolling in the North Atlantic Ocean and warning the other ships. So this is we have studied. Now we are talking about the climate. The climate of the Greenland. So see this, students. See this. So this is our Earth. And we have learned about the equator. Equator is at 0 degree latitude. Okay. And here is the Arctic Circle. Our Greenland lies in the Arctic Circle region. ये जो हमारा Greenland है वो Arctic Circle के अंदर आता है, which is 62.5 degree north. And this region is known as the frigid zone. We have studied the equatorial zone, the toroid zone, and the frigid zone in previous chapters. If you have any doubt, you can watch the previous videos also. So this is the frigid zone. Frigid zone is the most cold zone among all 3 zones. So because of this, ये नॉर्थ पोल के पास है फ्रिजिड जोन में, वो लेयर इट इज एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. पूरे साल यहाँ पे सर्दी रहती है. Even during the summer, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Even summers only they have 10 degrees Celsius, और night always become chilly. Night में वापस सर्दी हो जाती है. And there is a beautiful concept of midnight sun, means we can see the sun during the midnight at the summer season. I have told you from June to July they can see. and during winter temperature is minus 42 degree Celsius. Okay, which one? Minus 42 degree. And sun does not rise there from 2 months. 2 महीने तक तो वहाँ पे सन भी नहीं दिखता. This is all about the climate, extremely cold, and even in the summer they have temperature 10 degrees Celsius only. Now we talk about the vegetation. Due to cold and icy surface, there is so cold there and surface is also covered with ice, no plants can grow, and hence there is no forest. In Greenland there is no forest and no plants can grow there. Natural vegetation, only mosses, ferns, lichens, grass and bushes. Lichens pictures is given in your book. See, and they all other mosses क्या होती है, काई को बोलते हैं. lichens ये रही हमारी herbs होती है, small small. और ferns they are a kind of fungi. Okay, so they all are very small grass like plants. Some grasses and little bushes grow there. Okay, very less amount of vegetation is there, and these things only grow in summer season. Winter season में तो ये भी नहीं दिखेंगे. This is all about the vegetation. No forest, no plants. Very less plants, very less vegetation like mosses, ferns and lichens. Now let us talk about the wildlife. Okay, किस टाइप के animals हमको cold में मिलेंगे? जिनके पास बहुत सारे fur हो. डॉग्स और कैट्स जो हमारे पास हैं यहाँ पर वो नहीं हो सकते वहाँ पे, बिकॉज उनका फर कोट इतना थिक नहीं होता. यहाँ पर वही एनिमल्स होंगे जिनका फर कोट थिक है, जो इतने कोल्ड वेदर में सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. एनिमल्स विच कैन सर्वाइव इन द कोल्ड क्लाइमेट ओनली कैन फाइंड इन द ऑन द ग्रीनलैंड बिकॉज इट इज टू कोल्ड. लाइक पोलर बेयर. Polar bear also have a thick fur coat and a thick skin, thick fat skin. Reindeer you have heard this one. Reindeer Santa के गाड़ी में लगे हुए होते हैं. Reindeers, they are like deer. Husky, they are wolf-like dog, a kind of dog. Arctic fox, musk ox, polar hare मतलब polar rabbit, seals and whales. So these animals are found there in large amount. And seals and whales also hunt for oil and meat. Seals और whales की वो hunting भी करते हैं oil और meat के लिए. So let's talk about huskies. See the picture. They are huskies. They look like a dog and wolf. They are the mixture of dog and wolf. Wolf यानी भेड़िया. Wolf and dog का ये mixture होते हैं. And they used to pull the sledges. देखो ये जो person है ये एक sledge पे खड़ा हुआ है, तो ये these dogs are pulling the sledge and the load carried by this men. See, husky pulling a sledge. So husky, wolf-like dog, have thick fur coat used for pulling the sledges. So I have already told you that polar region animals have thick fur coat. फर मतलब बाल, ठीक है. उनके बहुत ही थिक फर कोट होता है एंड थिक लेयर ऑफ फैट. मोटी उनकी फैट स्किन होती है. ओके, फैट उनकी बॉडी में बहुत सारा होता है. लाइक पोलर बेयर कितना मोटा होता है. थिक लेयर ऑफ फैट अंडर देयर स्किन. दे आर कॉल्ड बल्बर्स. ओके, व्हाट दे आर कॉल्ड? बल्बर्स. बल्बर और बल्बर्स. So this is all about the wildlife. We have studied that many animals like polar bear, reindeer, husky, which have thick fur coat and thick layer of fat under their skin found there. We have learned about the huskies also. Now let us talk about the people of the